Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can mute your voice chats on Counter-Strike 2, so if you are interested then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to mute your voice chats on Counter-Strike 2, it's actually pretty easy, just follow what I'm gonna do. So for the first step, I want you to click the settings icon right here to open your Counter-Strike settings. And once you're on settings, next, I want you to go to the audio tab right here. And here on the audio tab, I want you to scroll down a little and then you will now be able to see the voice section, which is where you can mute your voice chats. So to mute your voice chats here, it's so simple, since if you will take a look, you will now be able to see the other player's voice volume option right here. So all you gotta do is turn the volume down to 0. That way you won't be able to hear what your teammates are saying, or in other words muting them. And after that, it's done. Congratulations, you have now muted your voice chats on Counter-Strike 2. And so that's just how you do it guys. Now that you've watched this video you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching, goodbye.